Hi guys, let's begin with our word problems. We're going to do about 5 problems. Todd has 7 sweaters. 1 sweater is dirty. What is the total number of clean sweaters? Okay, so let's kind of act this problem out. We know Todd has 7 sweaters. So I'm going to add 7 sweaters here. Now, if we didn't have this paper, we could actually draw 7 sweaters or something to represent a sweater. Now, we know 1 sweater is dirty. So what do you do when you have a dirty sweater? You put it in the laundry. So we're going to take 1 sweater away. What is the total number of clean sweaters? So remember, this is our dirty sweater. These are our clean. If we want to know the total number of clean sweaters, we're going to count the number that's right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to write this in a number sentence, we're going to write the total number of sweaters we had to begin with, 7. Because Todd has 7 sweaters. Then we took 1 away, the dirty one, so 1. And the total number of clean sweaters, which is what's left, is 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Next problem. Jay had 10 pairs of mittens. His puppy chewed up 2 pairs of mittens. How many mittens did Jay have left? Now, this word left is a strong indication that this is going to be a subtraction problem. This is one of our key words, and I'll do a video later on talking about keywords, but for now, I want to just kind of preview what it means to solve word problems and how we can use manipulatives or drawings to solve them. Okay, so Jay had 10 pairs of mittens. Let's go ahead and add our 10 pairs of mittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and to solve the number sentence or write the number sentence about the picture, we're going to write from the beginning. He has 10 pairs of mittens, so we're going to write a 10. Now, his puppy chewed up 2 pairs of mittens. Not good. We're going to take off 2 pairs of mittens because the puppy chewed them. So he started with 10, then he lost 2, right? Because his dog chewed them up. 10 minus 2 equals, let's think. Well, I don't know how to subtract 10 minus 2. That's okay. We're already acting it out. So we had 10, we took away 2, and now we're going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pairs of mittens left. So our question was, how many mittens did Jay have left? He had 8 pairs of mittens left. Move on to the next problem. It says, 8 lights hung on the tree. 8 lights fell down. How many lights are left? There's that word left again. And we know that the word left is an indication that this is going to be a subtraction problem, not an addition problem. So let's act out the problem. 8 lights hung on the tree. So I'm going to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 lights hanging on the tree. Now, it says 8 lights fell down. Well, I just put all of those on there. So first, let's start out our number sentence. Write a number sentence about the picture. 8 lights hung on the tree. We know we have 8 to begin with. Then what happens? 8 lights fell down. So we know that we're about to remove 8, right? See how we're kind of writing our number sentence like we're telling the story. 8 lights hung on the tree, then 8 lights were taken down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we just subtracted. We took all of those away. How many lights are left? How many lights are left here? None. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. Let's move on to the next problem. Here we go. Okay. Jan had 5 bunnies. Then she got 5 more bunnies. How many bunnies did she have in all? Now, when a word problem uses the phrase in all, you can see that's bolded here. That usually will tell us that it is an addition problem, in all. We want to know how many are there in all or all together. But let's go ahead and work through the problem to make sure. So Jan had 5 bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to start out and I'm going to write on my words, on my number sentence. So we started out with 5. Then she got 5 more bunnies. I'm going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I added 5 more bunnies. How many bunnies did she have in all? Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we started with 5 bunnies, then she got 5 more. That brings a total of 10. So how many bunnies did she have in all? 10. Let's move on to our last problem here. Ken had 7 pairs of warm socks. 6 pairs had holes in them. How many pairs did Ken have left? Okay, there's that word left again. Does anybody remember what the word left indicates? Addition problem or subtraction problem? Subtraction problem, right. So let's work through the problem. Ken had 7 pairs of warm socks. So I'm gonna add 7 pairs of warm socks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so he's got his 7 pairs of warm socks. Okay. Think about this number sentence as, like I said before, a story. So this is our start of the story, and this is our end of the story. So when we started, Ken had 7 pairs of warm socks. Well, then we found out he had 6 pairs that had holes in them. So that's going to be my next number. He had 6 that he had to take away because they had holes. So I'm going to take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took away 6. I wrote it down here. How many pairs of socks did he have left? 1. That's my end. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the video today, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Thanks for watching.